My first moments in this new Durango SRT are spent adjusting the heavily bolstered leather seats and flat-bottom steering wheel. It's important to get these right at a track day. Once settled in, it's time to look around and gauge my surroundings from the windshield. Turn 1 is clearly marked and easy to spot after peering down the long straightaway to the right, a 153-foot-tall pagoda to the left, a yard of bricks in back, 2 additional rows of seats. Wait, why am I about to run the infield road course at Indianapolis Motor Speedway in the Durango SRT? Is why. They bolted in a 6.4-liter Hemi engine, good for 475 horsepower and 470 pounds-ft of torque, and an equally capable 8-speed automatic transmission. Mega Brembo brakes work with 295/45R20 Pirelli P Zero tires to arrest progress as quickly as it builds. SRT also stiffened up the front and rear springs, fattened up the rear stabilizer bar, and added Bilstein adaptable shocks. Then there's the electronics, the stability control system, throttle mapping and power steering. Weight all adjust. That's common, but SRT also quickens gear shift time, sends more power to the rear of the all-wheel drive system, and tightens up shock absorbers. The aforementioned adjustability comes from choosing one of 7 different drive modes available, and 2 of those modes are Sport and Track mode. This SUV, with seating for 6, is able to withstand hot, well, very warm laps on a track. The default setting is automatic, which makes the Durango SRT its most comfortable self. There's also Eco, to squeak out a very little extra mpg, valet mode, which takes away all the hoonability, and snow mode for spotty weather. But the 7th driving mode is tow, and it feels out of place in this SUV. After all, a tow vehicle and a track car are 2 different things, but not in this case. All the extra cooling systems, beefy suspension and brakes required to make the SRT hold up on track also aid in pulling 8,700 pounds around without trouble.